Did I get good sleep? I actually was working on something after stream, and I think it was not too late at night. It was like midnight-ish. I mean, midnight is probably late for some of you guys. Some of the young tacklings sleeping early. If there is any of you. I mean, considering the fact that I usually fall asleep around like 6-ish in the morning, that's pretty early for me. And then I kind of like doze off, and I even had like an alarm up just in case I fall asleep too much. Except I didn't realize I typed in the numbers into my calculator on my phone instead of an alarm. And so I slept pretty well. I must have been very tired because I was like, oh, numbers. Alarm. I've done that a couple times actually. It's just kind of funny, but when I wake up and I open my phone and have numbers typed into my calculator, and I'm wondering why the alarm didn't ring. It's not my fault. Like the UI is so minimalistic. Yeah, you know, like everything is just so simplified these days. Like the alarm clocks are always like black and white, and like the calculator is like black and white, and the numbers have the same font. I mean, when I'm sleepy, you know, everything looks the same. Put it